Alright guys, so I'm back here with the 1995 Toyota Supra. Just a little recap what's done to this car. He's on a upgraded BorgWarner S366 turbocharger with a couple bolt-ons, running on E85. He is making right around like low 600s to the wheels, like probably around 630. Now he did just get some new tires. He's running on Nitto NT 555 R2s, and he is a manual transmission, but he's got a manual from a Nissan 350Z. So it is a 6-speed manual. Now this car is pretty light. I think the car weighs somewhere between 32 and 3,300 pounds as is without the driver. And he's gonna be running up against a 2022 Camaro LT1. Now this is a brand new car featured on the channel, and it's modified pretty well. Now I'm gonna be telling you what the owners told me what's done to it, and then I'm also gonna tell you what some other sources around here have told me what's done to it. So first and foremost, according to what the owners told me, it's a complete full bolt-on car with a high ram intake manifold with heads and cam on a quote-unquote base map E85 tune. Now he's got some weight reduction, lightweight wheels, brakes, with a Mickey Thompson ET. Oh, so these are not ET Street R's, but they are Mickey Thompsons. And he's got the front seat removed, but he does have the back seats intact. Now, according to what other sources have told me, what's done to this car is that it is on a built 416 stroker kit, and according to my sources, that these guys are not the most truthful around here. But as we race, we're gonna find out. So since there's a back seat, he's gonna be taking somebody in the back. So let's see how it goes. Guys, so I'm here in the Supra, and the first race we're gonna do is gonna be from 60 miles an hour. Sorry guys, I couldn't close the window, but boy, I'm glad I didn't. It sounded so good, that Camaro. But if you guys didn't hear, the driver of the Supra said he missed that gear, so that's why he didn't keep going. Alright, ready to go. Alright guys, round 2. We are going to do a 40 roll. You're good. Woo! You spin on that one.
Only a little bit though.
Yeah, it wasn't really bad, but yeah.
2-3 shift though. That's where the auto comes in.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a 60 roll one more time. That 40 roll unfortunately was too much shifting for the Supra, so we're definitely giving that W to the Camaro. So let's try the 60 again. race, even though he jumped, but it was a good race. Alright guys, we're finished here. We already did a couple runs, so no point going anymore, beating up these cars. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.